Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Latifah Tiffany. In this video, I will review the novel The Language of Baklava by Diana Abu Jaber, which was published in year 2005. The author, Diana Abu Jaber, was born in Syracuse, New York to American mother and a Jordanian father. Her family moved to Jordan a few times throughout her childhood. An element of both her American and Jordanian experiences, as well as culture issues, especially culinary reflection, appear in her work. There are 24 chapters in this novel. The novel The Language of Baklava tells about the memoir of the main character in the novel, as well as author of the novel who is Arab American descent. In the novel, The Language of Baklava, there are several characters, such the father, Auntie Aya, Diana's older sister, and there are still more to add the impression of family in the novel, which add to the family feel of Diana. The novel set in Jordan, Syracuse, and New York as the places Diana has lived in. In this video, I also highlight 3 sentences in the novel. First highlight, I learned early, we are Arab at home and America in the street, in page 13. It depicts the dual identities of Diana and her family in everyday life. At home, Diana and her family show their Eastern culture, such as speaking in Jordania and cooking Eastern food. While outside the home, they adjust to environment where they live, such as speaking English and following the lifestyles of Western culture. This shows Orientalism, which makes Diana and her family maintain their Eastern culture at home only, to avoid discrimination by Western society in order to be considered part of them. Second highlight, but Jordan has turned out to be more familiar, socialist, and deeply welcoming that I never expected it to be. In page 272, Abu Jaber expected the living in Jordan was to be unsuitable, but she found Jordan to be much better than his expectations. For her, Jordan turned out to be more familiar, warm in social life, friendly to everyone. Western culture creates stereotypes so that everyone perceives Eastern society as unfriendly, which make Abu Jaber have negative expectations of Jordan. But after seeing in first hand, it was completely different from his expectation. This shows that Eastern culture is better than Western culture in society terms, especially for immigrants. The last highlight in page 291, and I feel so impossible alone, as if I am the first and only person ever to be unmoored between countries. So I perfectly do things to make myself feel even more isolated. Abu Jaber felt very lonely, as if she experienced a sense of not having a clear place or identity between the countries that made her feel alienated. He also delivered things that made her feel even more alone. This shows the impact the Western society has on diasporic community. Abu Jaber isolates him because she feels alienated in his environment because she has to clear place to show his true identity. In conclusion, food is not only a source of energy for humans but more than that. We can be a meaningful thing like Diana Abu Jaber, who reminds and remembers her childhood. We can look deeper into the food we eat, make or buy, not just expensive or cheap food, that show us clearly. Food also become an identity and share some culture like Jana Abu Jaber, who comes from two different cultures. By knowing and learning about this, I hope we can appreciate the meaning of food more. If you are looking for a novel that combines family, culture, identity, and food, I recommend The Language of Baklava by Diana Bujaber. It takes you to understand the meaning of home and culture through food. It also adds to our perspective on family relationship and the meaning of the culture in everyday life. That's all the video review for me. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.